Hey, before I get into this, I just want to say that everything I am showing you is 100% real. I have the withdrawal receipts to prove it. You can literally make money while you sleep with the right tools and knowledge. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Now, I've been in the crypto space for a while now, and I've tried my fair share of airdrops. But let me tell you, this one is different. I've made over $250 with this airdrop, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Now this is the part that blew my mind when I first discovered it. The potential for passive income is huge. You don't need to be a crypto expert or have a lot of money to get started. So, if you're new to crypto, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. What are airdrops? Simply put, airdrops are when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to their community. It's a marketing strategy to get people excited about their project. And the best part is, you can get in on the action and earn some free crypto. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I get in on these airdrops? Well, that's where the best crypto airdrop tracker apps and websites come in. These platforms will notify you of upcoming airdrops, so you can get in early and maximize your earnings. Now, let's get to the step-by-step guide on how to join Avalanche airdrops using MetaMask. First, you'll need to download and install MetaMask. It's a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. Once you've installed MetaMask, you'll need to create a new wallet and set up a password. Next, you'll need to add the Avalanche network to MetaMask. This will allow you to interact with the Avalanche blockchain and participate in airdrops. Now, here's where things get really exciting. You can use platforms like Airdrop Alert or Crypto Airdrops to find upcoming airdrops on the Avalanche network. These platforms will give you all the details you need to participate, including the airdrop date, time, and requirements. Now, let's talk about some pro tips to help you earn more. One strategy is to use multiple wallets to participate in airdrops. This will increase your chances of getting selected and earning more tokens. Another strategy is to participate in airdrops that have a lower number of participants. This will increase your chances of getting selected and earning more tokens. Now, I want to talk about some common mistakes to avoid. One mistake is not reading the terms and conditions of the airdrop. Make sure you understand what you need to do to participate and what the requirements are. Another mistake is not having a secure wallet. Make sure you're using a reputable wallet like MetaMask and that you have a strong password. Now, let's talk about my earnings. I've made over $120 with this airdrop, and I've got the withdrawal receipts to prove it. I've withdrawn my earnings to my bank account, and it's been a game changer for me. I've been able to earn passive income while I sleep, and it's been amazing. So, what are you waiting for? You can get started with crypto airdrops today and start earning passive income. The link to get started is in the description below. It's 100% free, and you can start earning in minutes. You have nothing to lose. So what are you waiting for? That is all for today. Look, I know it sounds too good to be true, but I showed you the real numbers. The link is in the description. Click it, sign up for free, and start earning. You have nothing to lose because it costs absolutely nothing. Subscribe for more real crypto tips and I will catch you in the next one.